Hi, if you're looking for a really nice new hire gift, we're happy to help. So here's a custom box. It says gifts just for you with our logo on it. And then in here is an extension cord, which is 5 feet, and with their cord makes 6 feet, which is perfect for social distancing. But this is also, thanks for being an extension to our firm and joining us. Here is a mask. You could heat it for 10 seconds, or you could put it into the freezer, but rest assured, day or night, we have you covered. Some apparel, just to make sure that they feel comfortable and relaxed. An erasable pen, because rest assured, you are not making a mistake, coming with Stackable Sensations. Some sticky pads, a game, because we like to have fun. A stress head.
Relax, calm down now. Don't stress. Take it easy.
With our information. And of course, we have hand sanitizer, mask, gloves, because we want everyone to be safe. The Sky Clip can be used as a cell phone holder, or it could be used to, when we finally fly, to go into the tray table, and it holds your phone. And just understand that the possibilities of growth are endless, and the sky's the limit with Stackable Sensations. And lastly, we have a mug that has a microwavable cake, because here's to a sweet beginning. We can do whatever you need, and happy to help.